And that's pretty much why I have to apply the ointment. It hurts all over, and I know it's disgusting, but I have to do it.
Dude, that's nasty.
Dude, you're the one making out with the broom, alright?
She's pretty, and stop looking at her like that.
I'm sorry, I have Teddy over here. Dude, you know what? Freaking shut up. Was that you?
No.
Dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we've been in this freaking garage for the entire time. Look.
What?
It's been open. The entire night. Yeah. What? You know,
What the heck, man?
Shut up!
You know what? No, listen.
How about we just sing a song and like get our spirits better? Alright, here.
That's what I've been waiting for.
This one's called
Let's
gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song. Sing it over me,
It's a song.
And if you can't sing it faster than
What
you're
he said,
wrong, it'll help if you just sing along.
Bum, bum, bum.
Sing it, be a flower, yes, a wedding song. Patrick!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L.
Good! Teddy! Good!
It'll help if you just sing along. Oh yeah!
I hate campfires!
What was that?
What was that? I hate campfires! You shut up! Campfires are amazing! Yeah, okay. Yeah. Let's go, Pat, come on.
Ah! Hi! I'm gonna play around.
Yeah! Come on.
Ah! Oh!
I think we're wearing them down,
Yeah, we got this.
Come on! Hey. I got his cell phone talking device! What the hell, man?
Wilbur, you alright?
I'm fine, man. He just trucked you and lost. Don't you touch it! Say you're sorry! Give me Wilbur! Give me Teddy! Give me Teddy! Say you're sorry!
I'm sorry.
Say you love campfires!
What do you say?
I'm sorry, Teddy.
You love campfires! Say it! Say it!
I love campfires.
What? Teddy can't hear you!
Wedgie!
What do you love?
Campfires.
Say it louder!
I love campfires.
Yeah! So, help you up, man. Oh, we should have a campfire one day.
Yeah.
Where's Teddy?
I don't know. My name's Cornwall. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
So, where's Wilbur?
I don't know, man. Let's go look for him.
Wilbur!
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 What the freak, man? What are you doing?
There's no way you did! She was talking to me, man!
You're making out with my girlfriend!
Shut up!
This isn't
You
Desperate
can be alone!
Housewives. What is this? What's the matter with you? After all we've been through?
Shut up, man! It's been a month!
No, it hasn't. All right? We've been friends all this long. I thought we had trust, me and you. Now it's like some stupid Desperate Housewives episode.
Dude! She freaking talks!
No!
God!
Wait,
She loves me!
you let him? Wait. No! You take it away from me. It's the only person I have.
You laughing about it?
Why? Him?
Oh, yeah. Oh!
I'm sorry, but why him? I mean, him?
What are you looking at?